Hey, something is clearly wrong here. I'm seeing that the duration of my project is 28 hours and it should last more than 4 days if I'm managing that shutdown project on a 24 hours a day schedule. I should have fixed this right from the start, and the background calendar is not right, and Microsoft Project is counting duration based on the project calendar. So let's go change this information. So I'm gonna go in project and project information. And here I get the project start date and I see the calendar that is used. And this is the calendar used to count the duration. And the standard calendar here doesn't take account of the weekend and is start at 8 o'clock in the morning and finish at 5 with a 1 hour break for lunch, and everything that will fall outside that time is not account for. So that's why it gives me a duration of 28 hours. So let's change that calendar to 24 hours calendar, and I'm going to click OK. And now I see that, oh, makes a lot more sense that the total duration, including the night, will be 100 hours. So let's try one more thing. So to show you that it is counting only the with that calendar for the duration. So if I put a 12-hour a day calendar, it would bring it to 52 hour because it doesn't count the night shift. So let's go back in the project information. I'm gonna put back the 24 hours a day calendar, and here, very important, the start date. So I can use that start date or I can change that start date for exactly what I want. So I can bring it to start at 6 o'clock in the morning. And that's where you will make your change if you made some change or some change happened that it's not going to start 20, it started 21 or 24. You can put the exact date you want here and all your Gantt will move. So I'm going to put it to 6 o'clock and click OK. And now I should still have 100-hour duration shutdown.